All right, an update from Mumbai now. 35-year-old Nilufar Saeed, the daughter of Mohammed Hussain, who was killed in the accident involving the Audi on the Eastern Freeway, has now spoken to India Today. Nilufar has said that her father drove the taxi for 32 years without any accident. She claims that the accused drunk driver, Janhavi, was fully aware of what she was doing, and what's worse, she showed no remorse after that fatal accident took place. Nilufar also said that it is a murder and not an accident, and demanded justice for her father. She claimed that even after the accident, Nilufar attempted to bribe the policeman who had reached the spot.
We have with us daughter of Mr. Mohammed Hussain Mustafa Mia, who died in the Audi accident. Ma'am, you are settled in UK. How did you came to know about the incident?
I mean, one of my relatives WhatsApped me to say that there's been an accident and he's been taken into hospital, and that was all I knew. And then after some time, like a couple of minutes ago, I found out that he's passed away. Someone called us and we found out that he's passed away. And I mean, I don't know what to say. That was first of all, I couldn't believe it, because he wasn't someone who was ill or who had any sort of health issues or anything. He was very good for his age. He was driving, and it's just a complete shock. My mom spoke to him an hour ago before the incident happened, and all of a sudden someone comes up and tells you that rather than him coming home, he's actually in hospital. Knowing that someone who knows, who is educated, who is a lawyer, in fact, I mean, that is such an ignorant person, that she knows if she drinks what's going to happen. She knows what's going to happen if she drives on the wrong side of the lane, and most of all, she knows the consequences of what's going to happen when everything, the result of what she's done. And then her guts to stand there and offer money to get away with it, that is absolutely ridiculous. It's completely out of order. It just seems like, she feels like because she's influential, she's got money, she'll just get away with it. And it just breaks my heart, and it's really, really frustrating. I have feeling of anger, frustration. I mean, furious. I'm absolutely furious with this. I don't know how to sort of, describe anything apart from that. But no, this is absolutely not done. She should be punished. She should be punished severely, because she's already had two sort of incident before this, and nothing happened then. If something would have happened then, we wouldn't have been in this situation in the first place.
Extremely emotional daughter of the taxi driver Saeed Hussain, who was killed in that head-on collision with Audi that happened on that freeway. We also have Mustafa Sheikh joining us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, some very serious allegations made by the taxi driver's daughter there. She also claims that the person in this case, who is a very well-known lawyer, Janhavi Gadkar, had also tried to influence the police who had reached the spot by offering them a bribe.
That's right. This information has been given by the witnesses. The eyewitnesses who were on the spot have told the police that she actually tried to bribe the people. Also Noman, one of the deceased's son, he was also present there, and he has also heard offering bribe to the eyewitnesses to the police. So after the accident, the details which are coming forward, the way Janhavi Gadkar, the details which are coming forward that she tried to bribe, she very well knew that she's under the influence of alcohol, then too she was driving. So this is the most frustrating part for the family, that she is a very well educated person, then too purposely she has done such kind of mistakes. That's what the family was also saying, that this should be taken as a murder. It's not merely an accident.
Right, and where does the case stand as we speak? We know that the police is also trying to recreate how that accident took place, because Janhavi herself apparently has claimed that she has no recollection of the route she took.
See, Janhavi has been changing her statement. So police are trying to get the final details of the case. They have gathered all the evidences, but for them, for the investigation, it is very important to determine that Janhavi was traveling 11 kilometers on the wrong road. Secondly, she was under the influence of alcohol. So police at this moment is leaving no stone unturned. They are trying to recreate the crime scene. They are recording her statement. Soon they'll record her statement in front of the magistrate.
All right, Mustafa, thank you so much for joining us live on that top focus of ours. That was an extremely emotional reaction coming in from the taxi driver's daughter, who's rushed back from UK where she stays.